In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Adobe Sign document. Editing in Adobe Acrobat Sign depends entirely on where your document is in the process, so we'll walk through each situation clearly. The big idea is simple. The earlier you make your edits, the more flexibility you have. Once a signature is applied, the document becomes locked to protect its legal integrity. If you haven't sent the document yet, this is the easiest time to make changes. Open Adobe Acrobat Sign. At the top toolbar, select Edit, and from the drop-down, choose Edit Text and Images. Upload your document so it's ready to adjust. Here, you can add or change text fields, signature fields, dates, or checkboxes. Take a moment to preview each page and make sure fields line up with the information you expect to collect. When everything looks good, save your changes and send the document to your recipients. This stage is ideal because nothing is locked by the signing process, so correcting typos or rearranging fields is quick and low risk. If you've already sent the document but no one has signed it yet, you still have options. Sign in to Adobe Sign and go to the Manage section. Select the document you sent and open it in the limited editing mode. At this point, the content of the document is generally fixed, but you may be able to set reminders, cancel the agreement, add notes, or edit recipient details such as their name, authentication method, or even replace a recipient. Make your adjustments, then save and resend the agreement. Think of this as an administrative edit window, great for fixing who's receiving the document and how they access it, and for keeping the process moving. If someone has already signed, the document can no longer be edited. The signature locks the file to maintain the legal audit trail. In this case, your choices are to cancel the agreement or create a new version of the document and resend it. If you need a correction, revising the source document and starting a new agreement is the cleanest and most compliant path. If the document is fully signed, it's secure and certified. Editing it would break the audit trail, so the correct approach is to create an amendment document or send a corrected agreement for signature. This maintains trust and compliance while capturing any changes you need. That's the full landscape. Edit freely before sending, make limited adjustments after sending, but before signing, and once signatures are in place, use a new version, an amendment, or a corrected agreement.